Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making pork cutlets or pork schnitzel. So we'll get started with that. Yeah, we'll cut the pork cutlets first, show you that, and then show you the next step. So we got some boneless pork chops here. So we'll do with these. So now what you could do is you can pound them out if you wanted to with a rolling pin. What I'm going to do is just cut them like pretty much in, you know what, let's butterfly them. I'm going to butterfly them. Okay, just a little pound. Actually, take the end of your knife and just like this. Okay, so we're gonna butterfly them. All right. Okay, just like the first one. You need to get to this part and take your knife, and the end, not the sharp part of the knife, but the end of the knife, and pound them. Like so. Pound it like so. Okay, so that's the first cutlet. Toss them on a plate, like so. Yeah, so we'll end up with 3 really good sized cutlets. Or pork schnitzel. We're gonna season these up a little. Fresh cracked pepper on the cutlets. Salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Flip them over. Same thing on the other side. So we want crispy pork cutlets. So we're gonna start with some potato starch. Some breadcrumbs right here. Okay. Yeah, we're doing the egg, flour, breadcrumbs. The usual 3 process for breaded stuff. I'm just putting a touch of cream to extend the little egg thing. Mix it up. That was a half and half cream. Okay. So grab our cutlet into the potato starch. Okay. Like so. Egg wash. Okay. Into breadcrumbs, like so. Cutlet is there. Okay. And you should keep one hand dry, the other wet, but that's all right. Like so. Yeah, so we got 3 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. So once your oil's hot, just kind of toss your cutlets in the pan there. Fry them all up. And you can use a vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil. It's totally whatever you prefer. I think the olive oil is healthier, and you don't need it at a super high temp. So to cook your cutlets, so it's totally fine. And you just want to fry them up until they're golden brown. It should take about pretty much like 5 minutes aside, sort of thing, till the cutlets are all crispy, and then you have beautiful cutlets. Or the Germans say Schnitzel. This one is such a nice deep golden brown, so we're getting there. They're smelling good. Pork cutlets. Ooh, that's looking good. Looking good. You just want to make sure that that color is perfect. For the cutlets, you can use flour. But they won't be as crispy. If you have potato starch, I'd recommend that because they'll be super crispy. I'll show you that at the end. And also you can use cornstarch as well. That works better too. You get a crunchy product. I would personally stay away from flour because it's okay, but if you wanted a crispy cutlet, then that's what I would recommend is potato starch. Oh, that's looking good. So once I get to that part, I'm gonna flip them over. Oh, that one's looking good. Okay, so I'll flip this one over. Slowly flip them over, carefully. Yes, and pork cutlets are super tasty, and they're not hard to do, but you got to do them right. And if you get crispy, it's perfect. You definitely don't want to overcook them. You just want to cook them until they're crispy, and not dry. It's a good dinner or good lunch snack, so whatever you like. And definitely serve it with lots of veggie sides. So check out my shorts for veggie sides. Gives you lots of ideas on different veggies you can use. So check that out. I'll leave a link up there. Ooh, looking good. Sizzle, sizzle. Cutlets are cooked. Show you how crispy they are. Give them a try. Give our lovely pork cutlets a try. So we can hear the crunchy of it. Okay, give it a try. Lots of flavor there. I like that. Crispy, crispy. Just a perfect amount of seasoning. Awesome. Pork cutlet or pork schnitzel. Pork schnitzel. Thanks for watching Bowman's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And we'll see you soon. Pork cutlets.